Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change currency on Roblox. Now first, make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Now if you're going to tap this Roblox here, you can definitely see your currency or what currency you're using. And here you can see that I am using this currency. Now the question is, how are we going to change this currency? First, go to your settings, click this one, and make sure that you are currently logged into your account. Now we have your account information and we have here some options where you can see more about Roblox. But as you can see here, there's no change currency option or any feature here that says you can change your currency on Roblox. So the best thing to do is to simply change your country. Now, how are we going to do that? Simply go to your settings, click extensions, and you can apply or add some VPN extensions here. Let's just say, for example, I am currently using this whole VPN. And I can also use this touch VPN because I can see them or I can see these VPNs on my extension. So all you have to do is to connect and go back to your Roblox to see if your currency has changed. Now, if this one doesn't work, then you can go to Google and type free VPN. And all you need to do is to download and connect your computer or laptop to that VPN and go to your Roblox again and see if the currency of your Roblox has changed. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.